Hello everyone, welcome to Dan and Leah TV. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best ginger lemon juice. A very simple and very easy to prepare, yet very healthy to our body. All we need is three simple ingredients. I also wanted to share with you guys what I learned over the years. There are two ways you can peel your ginger, by using spoon or knife, but it still depends on you which way will be easier for you. Your kitchen, your way.
folks. Just wanted to thank you for joining us today on this video. I just wanted to make a last minute comment on Leah's ginger juice. Leah and I have been together for over 5 years now, and she's always made this for me, and I've really come to love it as a nice healthy alternative to soda pops and other types of drinks that may not necessarily have the active ingredients that fresh ginger and lemon has. It's really a delicious, healthy, nutritious type of drink to have around, and I've really come to love it. So, I just speak very highly of it from personal experience. I think it keeps me healthier and keeps my skin looking nicer and healthier as well. So, here's to you, Leah, and a fantastic thing to have around the house. Bottoms up. Love her ginger juice. It's not around, I asked for it. Thanks, baby. So please like, share, and subscribe. And we'd love to hear your comments too. And if you don't have ginger juice around the house, I recommend you make some. It's a wonderful thing.